Hello, this is reference for video having breakfast at the Peninsula Excelsior. So this is the first time I'm walking through here. So it's very imprinted, very instant. So I haven't even seen this. So I'm going to turn this into the wide camera. So it looks like we have cereal. Beautiful. Fresh fruit. Or large diced fruit. Oh, that's a monster. That is massive. Anyway, cute nevertheless. What do we have? French toast. Very good. Scrambled egg. Chicken chipolata. Cool. Baked beans. And grilled bacon. Deep fried potato wedges. Oh, great, fantastic. Light cheese. Fruit. So some yogurt. Some fruit here. Amazing. Like a meat platter. Some cheese. Some dried fruit. Dressing for salad, like a little salad bar. Your drinks. Orange juice, fruit punch, iced water, coffee, tea, milk. Station here looks like we have the toast and breads and pastries all around here. Let's just go over this side. Kitchen. So I'd imagine that they do cook to order stuff, maybe like your fried, poached types of eggs. Hollandaise eggs, not. Look at that, that looks unique. So anyway, going back to the Asian section, so we have dim sum. Cool. Porridge station, so I imagine that'll be congee. And some congee condiments. Something. What is this? Dim sum. More dim sums. Cool. And that looks like that is it. Fairly basic. Got what you need. Nothing spectacular from what I've seen, but definitely got what it needs. So there, that was our first real unbiased view of the breakfast here at the Peninsula Excelsior down here at their Coleman restaurant. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one.